Hello viewers, so today we will learn very important topic of the writing section of English, that is email writing. So let's know what is an email writing. An email is an electronic mail with digital messages using computer, phone, laptop and sent by the sender to the receiver. Now the question is that who is the sender, who is the receiver? So let's know. Sender, the person who sends an email. Receiver is the person who receives the email. Email is an electronic mail where we can send digital messages to the person. What are its advantages? One of its best advantages is that it is hassle-free way to convey the message, and it is the cheaper way of communication. Second thing is that at the same time we can send the messages to the multiple people. So it is less time consuming and the faster way of communication. Now let's know which are the essential things for sending an email. First thing is that we must have the devices. Okay, we must have the devices. Second thing is that internet access. Without internet access, we can't send or receive an email because it is electronic. Third thing is that the email IDs of the sender and the receiver. And one more thing is that is mail server. Sometimes it happens that while the server is down, we are not able to send or receive the email. So that connectivity is also the most required thing. Dear all, now let's know about the complete format of writing an email without an error. Because errors are very specific. These must not be done. Okay. So let's start. So here we can see that we will start our email from and to. Here from means the sender's address who is sending an email. So generally as if you are doing it in your device or your phone, so sender's email ID is automatically filled because your phone save your email ID, that's why. Next column is to. You must know the email ID of the particular person to whom you are sending the mail. So here receiver's email ID you have to write down. Next is CC BCC. CC carbon copy, where all the receivers can see the list of the email receivers to whom we have sent the email. The list of receivers is visible in carbon copy. And blind carbon copy BCC, where the list of the receivers is not visible to all, where we don't want to tell to someone that to whom we have sent the particular email. So to whom we don't want to inform, those email IDs we can mention in blind carbon copy BCC, and to whom we want to tell that we have sent one copy of this email to them, we can mention their email ID in carbon copy. Next is subject. Subject is very particular, that is a title of reason of writing email that must be precise and catchy. Catchy means to say that it must attract the eyes of the receiver, where a receiver is getting a lot of emails and maybe that some are not useful, so he can delete it. So subject must be precise and catchy, where it must catch the attention of the reader, and it must be at least in 4 or 5 words only. Next is salutation. Salutation, where we are using the word dear. I want to tell you that dear is more formal word, we can use it in formal writing, and as we all know that who is the receiver of that email, so we can mention as per the gender. If we are writing to male person, we can write dear sir. If we are writing to female, write dear madam, and after that comma. Sometimes we use the word hi, hello also. So these also we can use, and after that we can write the name of the person. Hello Rohan or whatever. So hi and hello can also be used in formal writing. After writing the salutation, we will greet them. So generally we don't know that on which part of the day we are writing the email. So we will write greetings of the day. Okay, and then we will start the content, that is the body of the email writing. Here we generally know that in the content 3 main topics are there, that is introduction, matter in detail and conclusion. So introduction part we will start for the reason to inform them that why we are writing this email. What is our actual concern, and after that matter in detail. If few details are there regarding the content which is necessary to mention, these we will mention in detail, and then conclusion. Suppose if you are asking for some help, so you will use the word kindly and please. After that closing or signing off. For signing off we will use the words thanks and regards, warm wishes, thanks, etc. And if you want to attach some file or documents with your email writing, so you will use the word please find the attached file. Okay, so that would be helpful for the receiver, that they will come to know that you have attached the file, they will download it and open it. Next part of it is signature. So for signature, that is name, designation and your contact details are required. So for signature, I will tell you how to manage the signature. Just see. So here I have taken one of the image from the mobile. In your mobile, the format to compose the email will show like this, where upside compose it is given, and this is to attach the files. This symbol is to send the file, and here a few more options are given. So as you can see that from, that is a sender's email ID, that is automatically filled. To we must note the person that to whom we are writing the email, then subject, and here we will mention the content. Here you can see this sign. While we will click on the sign, it will show us CC and BCC. I had written here the definitions of carbon copy and blind carbon copy. Carbon copy, all the receivers can see the list of other receivers to whom we have sent the email. And blind carbon copy, where the receivers can't see the list of the members to whom we have sent the mail. I want to make you clear with this format. So here we can see that where from is given, it means we have to write the sender's address in the from. So I already told you that it will be automatically filled. Next is to, where we must assure the name of the receiver to whom we are sending the mail. It must be clear. So receiver's address must be written in to. Then date. Sometimes in mobile that option is not showing, and in laptops sometimes this is also automatically filled. Next is subject. So subject must be clear, precise and catchy, where you must tell that why are you writing the email. Then after that, dear sir, respected sir, friend or name also you can mention, and by writing salutation below that you will greet for the day. Greetings of the day. Next, body of the email must contain complete sentences. Your sentences must be framed properly where they are clearly understood. Each topic, here is spelling is a little bit wrong, EACH. Each topic should be told or asked in new paragraph and use please let me know when need a reply and kindly or please for asking help. If you want from the reader any help or any kind of support, so just use the word please and kindly. Next is complimentary close, or we can say that signing off. For that we will try thanks and regards of, warm regards, warm wishes, etc. And then signature of the candidate. For signature I am telling you one thing. In your laptop downside the symbol is given where you will click on manage signature and you will feed your name, then designation, then contact number, and after that below save option is given, then you will save it, and after that it will show on your screen every time while you will send the email. So no need to type it again and again. Okay. And the most important thing, in the mobile or laptop it is already framed in the box, but while you will write in the paper, it means in the exam you will make a box after writing it, as your email must be written in the box. Also I am giving you one practice question, while you will practice it by writing on the paper, and side by side you will practice it on the mobile or laptop also by sending the email to any friend or relative or your father or mother. These are the two practice questions selected by me. Just I am reading the question for you. Your school has a tie-up with a leading e-learning company for digital content. The teachers are facing some difficulty to use the smart boards. Write a letter to the person in charge to request them to arrange an orientation session for the teachers to familiarize them with the technology. Orientation session is that where the teachers will learn to use the technology, that how to use that smart board, and they will clear their doubts also. So you have to write an email in brief and precise words where you will ask to the concerned person to visit to your school, and they will provide your training to the teachers. Next question is that you are the head girl of the school or head boy of the school. The management has decided to buy new furniture for the classes. Write a letter to the furniture manufacturer inquiring about the price list. So you will write an email for your requirements, that which furniture you want for your school, for example desk, table, lecture stand, board, whatever, and you will ask for the price list of them so that you can place your order. So practice with these questions. Definitely you will learn the proper format of writing an email. That's all about email writing. Hope you understand it very well. Thank you and have a nice day.